Today we're reupholstering this chair. Let's talk about it. First, here's your tea. Today it's a licorice turmeric blend. So this is a chair that my mom found on the side of the road. My mom found it on the side of the road in Chicago. When my sister moved to Oregon, she brought this chair with her. After a few years of her having it, she eventually gave it to me. My mom had it reupholstered, and it was reupholstered badly. So this cushion, it's kind of like a weird balloon. It's made of pleather, and it's all destroyed now from all the cats that we have collectively as a family. And also, this is nothing like how the original chair is supposed to be upholstered. And since it's so beautiful, I think it's time to take good care of it. Give it a little makeover so that we can continue to enjoy it. Let's get started, my friends. So the first problem I want to solve is that it's very uncomfortable when you sit on it. So I ended up buying a mattress pad that I'm gonna put on top of this old cushion before I recover it. It's not crazy thick, but I thought it would be nice to add a layer of comfort on top of here. Great. So this needs to inflate a little bit. So this has had some time to inflate now. It's a little thicker, and I can cut this. The most important layer is this one. So the bottom cushion. I'm going to be layering the bottom cushion with the mattress pad, so it'll be a little bit thicker. I have to cut these to match. So I traced the cushion, as you can see, and now I'm going to cut it. Ooh, satisfying. This is for you. So now I'm going to cover it with a lining fabric. Oh. So now I'm going to cover it with the lining fabric before I cover it with the real fabric, as a practice and also as a way to make sure that everything stays together. And then I will cut the real fabric. So I have this old bed sheet. I have no idea where it comes from. I think maybe it was my old housemates, but I truly have no idea. But this will be a good liner. So I'm going to do 2 squares with a long strip that goes all the way around the edge. All right. Oh. And then do it again. now I have to do the other one. I'm not going to seal it up because I'm going to actually take this and copy it so that I can make a pattern using the real fabric. But I have to do the other one first. So here is the liner on, and this is very helpful to have because now I can take the liner and use it as a pattern for my real fabric. So this is the fabric that we've chosen. I think it's very beautiful. Will chose it. It's like a linen, and I have 2 yards of it. So I have to be really careful not to mess up. So here's some things I'm thinking about. I'm wanting to make this covering removable so that if anything ever spills, we'll be able to take off the covering and clean it. So that means I have to make more pieces. So there's the top square and then 2 pieces for the bottom that will overlap with buttons. And then there's this long piece all around the edges. And then I'm going to make some piping. So I need some long strips of fabric that will also go all the way around. Oh, I've been procrastinating on this part because I'm scared of ruining the fabric forever. I probably won't mess it up, and if I do, then we just buy more fabric. I'm gonna make piping. I have a bunch of shoelaces, secondhand shoelaces that I got from our secondhand art supply store here in town. I'm going to put it inside this really long piece of fabric so that I can make piping today. So I have a zipper foot on my machine, and I will just kind of stick this in there and go. I ran out of shoelaces, so I'm gonna use these old ones. Piping! Lots and lots of piping. Today, I'm gonna finish this. So here are the things that I'm gonna do first. First, I'm going to attach all these long strips, so it's one long strip that I'll be able to do all the way around. I am going to cut the big flat pieces. There are 2 pieces, one is bigger than the other, and I'm gonna cut one of them in half so that I can make like a pocket to slide everything in. Then I'll just sew everything together with the piping. And then we'll be done. I just did the The first round of piping, it looks pretty legit if you ask me. I think I'm doing a really good job. I feel very proud of myself. And things don't always go perfectly, but sometimes they do, and that's worth celebrating. I like to put a pin exactly where I want the needle to stop because I can't actually see the bottom where the turn happens, so I have to mark it for myself. The first one is done. Pretty legit, I think, if I do say so myself. Now let's do the next. I'm excited. Done! Yeah. Ta-da! It's all done. I'm gonna go in it. As you can see, Jax is already enjoying this lovely chair, and I'm really proud of it. I feel like it's way better than it used to be, but I also really love the pattern, and I feel really proud of all the piping that I did. I feel like it looks really professional. It's much more comfortable than it used to be, but I really enjoyed working on this. And thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It's always such a joy to watch this community grow. I'm looking forward to working on my ceiling again. I have a lot of ideas. I will see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.